Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 error code diver. So basically this error occurs by network issues, and the first thing what you need to do here is to basically go to support.activision.com and here select Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and then look if there is no issues on servers on their end. And as you can see here, currently in my case there is an all platforms outage here, so probably problem is not on my end. But if you don't see this message and the servers are good, the first step what you need to do here is to simply restart your PC or console and then try the game, and sometimes it basically fixes the problem here, right? And if the problem persists, then you need to make sure that there is no updates available here and you install all the updates on your game. So for example, let's say it's basically Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and then go to properties, or not properties, just click on the game, and here you will see if there is an update, you will see update but not the play game basically button. So make sure that your game is up to date, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, check for corrupted game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, and on Steam what you need to do here, you need to go to library, then go to game, right click on properties, and then go to install files and verify integrity of the game files, and it will take a couple of minutes, and if you have some corrupted files it will be fixed. And on Battle.net, pretty similar, you need to go to games and then select the game and then press on this cog icon here and then press basically scan and repair, right? And it will take a couple of minutes here, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to check your internet connection. So there is plenty of extensions and websites to do so, and you need to make sure that your download and upload speed not less than 5 ms, right? If you're getting less than that, you will not able basically to play the game, you will be kicked out. And if you have bad internet connection, maybe limit some devices or restart your router and then try to basically play the game. If you're playing, for example, Wi-Fi, maybe you have access to wired connection, so go ahead and do so, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, if you're playing on PC, then you need to just open up command prompt and then right click on it, run as administrator, and then just write here ipconfig/flush DNS. And after you get this message, then you need to press on this little icon, network icon here, right click on it, go to network and internet settings, go to advanced network settings, then more network adapter options, disable your internet from 5 to 10 seconds and then enable again, go to properties and make sure the internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then double click on this one, then press on use the following DNS server, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then simply try to reinstall and install the game if there is no problems to the server issues, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.